Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing sorry about that. We're going to be doing some more work on this first jet of yours. So, as you can see, we've done a lot. We've got our EDF in here, and this is all hollow here. So now we're going to work on the wing a little. Okay, so what I'm going to do is turn off all this and just leave one of the wings on. So if you've been following along with this, you should be up to this point where I am now. And turn off the right wing. Okay. Now I want to see how long this wing actually is. So see if we can do a measure from here to here. And it's 249 millimeters. So most printers, you should be able to print this. So there's really no need to split this in half. So go ahead and close this. And this should be a solid, which is pretty sure it is, but let's just make sure I haven't shelled it out. So we're doing inspect and do a section analysis. And this plane here. And it's still solid. Go and cancel this. Okay. Now we're going to shell this out. So we come up here to the shell command and select the whole thing. We want to shell this out to 0.4. And click OK. Now this should be shelled out. There was another section analysis. This here. And we can see it is shelled out now inside. Turn that off. Now I'm going to measure across here and see how long this is. Okay, this is 330. And cancel this. So we'll have to just split this in half. But right now we're not going to. So I'm going to create a sketch on this plane here. And turn off some of these other sketches. We don't need those right now. Okay. Now I'm going to sketch a line. To about right here. And I'm going to make a parallel one off that, so I'll use the offset here and move this up 5 millimeters. And finish sketch. Now what I should have done before hollowing this is your box for the aileron servo. So in order to do that, I'm going to go back. Take this, delete that. Okay, now this should be a solid again, so let's inspect it. And it is solid. Cancel this. Okay, now we're looking at the bottom of the wing here. Now we need to decide where the servo is going to be, the servo box. So I'm going to put that right up here. So got a servo here I'm looking at, and the box I'm going to use for it is 45 millimeters by 60, 45 by 60. So create a sketch on this plane. And we're going to use a 2-point rectangle. Okay, there's the box for the servo, and I want to move this. Let's go and finish this, turn the sketches back on, and move copy and change this to sketch objects. And select all of these. And move this here, actually here, and I'm going to rotate it a little bit. Click OK. So that. Also, what I want to do is round these. So going to create a sketch on this plane here. And project this onto it. Click OK. Use a fillet. Now it won't let me do that, but that's no problem. What I'm going to do is use a this here again. Or actually, cancel. I'll just use line so I can do this. Okay, now so it will let me put a fillet on this. Nope. Oh well, no worries. Go ahead and finish sketch here. And see this is on that plane there. Now what I'm going to do is split body. and use this and select OK. Now that's split all the way through. We don't need it to be all the way through, but so now what I'm going to do here is create a sketch on this plane if this is flat, and it's not flat. So I'm going to use, say, press pull, select this, and move this down. And that's too much. We're just going to go with 1 millimeter. And click OK. And we have that. Now we're going to combine this and this. Click OK. And we have that, and we have a recess down here, 1 millimeter, which you need. Now we can go ahead and shell this. So we come to the shell command, select this, and this is going to be 0.4, and click OK. And now what I'm going to do, create a sketch on this plane here. First project, cancel this. And use an offset. And move this in. -5. And finish sketch. Now use extrude. Extrude this in. Set this to cut. Select OK. Now let's take a look at this. Section analysis. And you can see, let me turn off the sketches here. We can see inside of here where it's recessed and everything like it should be. And that's part of the hatch for the servo. Go and cancel this. Okay. Turn the sketches back on. Not that one. That's the one we want here. Now we're going to use extrude again. And change it to thin extrude and select both of these lines here. And change this to 2 sides. Move all the way up, all the way down, and change this to new body. Click OK. Now we're going to split body. This is a splitting body. This is the splitting tool, and select OK. We have that in there. Doing inspection analysis. And then we turn those on. And we see those down in there. Go ahead and cancel this. Now when I extruded those, again, let me go back here and show that. Now the wall thickness, you can change the wall thickness. Here it's just 1 millimeter that I use for both of these. And I'm looking at another model and that looks about right. So yeah, so we'll leave those alone. Take a look at this again. Turn that off. Click OK. Now again, that should be in there. The one line did not extrude, but that's no problem. Just go back and do that. So extrude, thin line, and leave it at 1 millimeter up. And change this to 2 sides and move this one down. Change this to new body and click OK. Looks like that didn't go all the way through, so go back, extrude, thin line, new body, click OK. Turn off the section analysis. Now split body. This is the body to split, and the splitting tool is this. And click OK. Now we turn these off. And now let's look inside of here. Okay, you see both are in there now. Turn off the sketches real quick. Now, when you print this, these lines may show up. Depend on your slicer program and how you have it all set up. But what I like to do is turn the left wing off here, so we have these two on here. I'm going to use a press pull, select this, and move this, let's see here, down. And move this down 0.25. Click OK. Same thing for the other side. So it's negative, sorry. Click OK. Same thing for the bottom. Make sure I have this selected correct. The right face. So okay, so it's not working properly, but problem, cancel that. And I'll do it again one by one. And you could use an extrude to do this also. And this one. Okay, we have that. Now we turn that, I believe that was the left wing, back on. And this time we'll come up here to combine. This is the target body, and the tool bodies are going to be these two in here. Make sure I got both of them. And we want to keep tools. And click OK. Now let's inspect this inside. And we have that. And that line should not print on the top because it's down inside here farther. Okay, well, one of them I see I didn't offset this one enough because there's a sweep here. Okay, so to fix that, what I'll do here, let's go back. Let me turn this off. And press pull again, this. Cancel that. See, can we extrude it? Let me cancel all this and just go back to it. And think about this for a sec. I'll just do it again. I just deleted those, is what I did. So now, do that again. I'm going to move this down to negative 0.3. And this one, negative 0.25. Okay, and turn that wing back on. Okay, now we don't see those. Now combine, this is the tool body, excuse me, target body, and then the tool bodies are going to be these two in here. Okay, it's only gonna let me do one right now. Then do that again. Target body, and that tool body. Okay, now let's do a section analysis here. And we have both of those. And we've turned the wing off. Those are combined with that now. And now we don't have those lines on the top. So when you do print this, the lines will not show up because they are down lower inside there. And this is part of how do you set things up to print in vase mode, but we're not. I'm not going to show you how to do vase mode in this video. I just want to keep it simple. And but that's how we got that so far. We've got those in there. So now, okay, this is our wing. Now, we're going to put more formers in here. So we're going to create a sketch on this plane here. Sketch a line. And how many of these you ever need, or you need for your plane or wing? Just put as many as you need. And finish sketch. Turn the sketches back on. And we're going to extrude all these lines here. There are simpler ways of doing this, but this is just easy. So just extrude. Change this to thin. Change this to 2 sides. Pull this up. Pull this down. Doesn't have to be that high. Change this to new body. And click OK. Split body. Tool body. Okay. Now we can see here that when I extruded this, it made it all one body, and that's why we can't go in here and do this. So what I'm going to do is just go back. Turn these on and just do one at a time. Extrude, then extrude this. Change this to 2 sides. Pull this up, pull this down. Change this to new body. And now leave this, the extrude here is 1 millimeter. I'm going to change this. I believe that's a little too thick. I'm going to change it to 0.5. And the same with the bottom one that I did. and click OK. Now come up here, split body. This is the body of the split, and this is a tool. Click OK. Now turn this off. Actually, we just go ahead and remove it because we don't need it. And this is the outer portion of that, so we can go ahead and remove this also. And that should be the first former. Go inspect. Actually, just come up here because I had zebra analysis on already. Not zebra analysis, but section analysis. Okay. And we have that piece in there now. Turn off the analysis. Turn off the sketches. Now, when we print this, you might see that line in there. But like I said, how I do it, I'll just go ahead and make it smaller. See if we can offset the sides. Make sure we have the whole thing. And we do. And we're going to make this 0.25. Negative. Click OK. Then we turn the left wing back on. Okay, now that's inside there just like that. And then we combine this, the two combine. This is the target body and the tool body is this. Change this to join and click OK. And now we have that piece in there too. Okay, I'll do one more former here. So we'll come down here, turn the sketches back on. And we'll extrude this one. Make sure you turn that to thin. Select the line here. And we change this to 0.5. And do this two sides and change this to 0.5 also. Pull this up, pull this down, change this to new body. Click OK. And turn the sketches off. Come up here to split body. This is the body of the split, and our splitting tool is going to be this. And click OK. OK. So let's see here now. Turn that body off. And we don't need this one, so just remove it. Now we have that inside there. And again, turn the wing off. Now this was a tool from the other one. So this one we don't need. I don't know why I did that, but oh well. Oh well. But anyway, we have this. And that's going to do it for now. Next week, or later this week when I come back to this, we'll do some more modeling of this wing here. And then we'll just go ahead and mirror everything over to the other side. So we only have to do this once. And the horizontal and the vertical stab are done the exact same way. It's just that they're just a different part, but they're done the exact same way. But anyway, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like what I'm doing, hit the like button as well. Also invite you to join my Facebook group and my Patreon site. Both are called CAD Build Fly RC. Go over there and have a look around. Also, if you become a paid member on my Patreon, you have access to all of my CAD drawing stuff that I show you guys how to do on this channel. You'll have access to all of that stuff. And so, yeah. Anyway, and again, if you like my videos, stuff like that, hit that like button. If you have any questions or anything, leave them down in the comments or send me a question over on my Patreon or my Facebook group. So yeah, anyway, that's going to do it for this video, and I will catch you in the next one.
Subscribe for more.